Kuhagorwo kwa Moses Wetangula ta mutongoria wa areani thiini wa Senate ikuhiguria gikujo kero ngwataniro-ini ya NASA na ukinyia muthia mwikoaniro na muhithaniro uria ukoretwo gatagati ga ciama iria ciobite ngwataniro eno. Kihumo kia bara ino ni itua ria Moses Wetangula Ford Kenya, Musalia Mudavadi wa ANC na Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper kwa gwikinyia kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park muthi wa kwihitithio kwa Raila Odinga ta mutongoria wa muingi, undu uria bunge ya ODM maugire wari guthigana Odinga o hamwe na arwiriri yake.
As I keep on saying, there is no medicine for woga.
Kenyans shall therefore be convinced beyond any reasonable doubt as to why they chickened out of this most important event.
Na lazima tujipange, sivyo? Sacrifice here and there. Na muache uoga.
Don't you ever think Kalonzo is a fool? Because I've never been. Neither have I ever been a coward. Never.
ODM igikira mukode ati niyo koigi uterwo ngwataniro-ini ino kuna marina wingi wa ateti bunge-ini cieri na ona thengio wa makaya kuma kuri arunao. Moses Wetangula riwe kuma ta muthika showe thutha wa James Orengo gukidirwo ta mutongoria wa areani bunge-ini ya Senate.
Nobody was invited to join NASA. We formed NASA.
It is not true that I came into this house through a coalition called NASA. I came into this house through my name, my picture being put in the ballot box as ODM.
Oni ona thengio wa Wetangula kurugama na kuhita ati ndigano ino ndigukorwo ihuthu na no muhaka egitire.
Nobody can belittle me in this house. Nobody. And nobody has a right, Mr. Speaker, to play games behind my back. Nobody. Let them be frontal and we will fight mundu kumundu.
Ruguru rwa bururi rukionekana kurarakirwo ni itashukia ria kiama kia ODM kuna kuringana na Raila Odinga ndagiagwatire kura ire kiene tigane werutiri wao wa kumuhurira marebe.
I delivered a resounding vote to the leader of ODM. And this cannot be wished away.
The latest manifestation has been the effort to embarrass Senator Moses Wetangula in the Senate when some people purported to dethrone him as leader of minority. We find this conduct highly reprehensible.
William Ruto will end up being the beneficiary. You have just seen in Coast, Aisha Juma, the MPs, they are saying 2022, William Ruto ndiye nani? Ndio tosha.
Ciama ici ithatu ni ciugite cio citikunyitanira na thirikari na no muhaka ithie na mbere na kurunga thirikari kuria yogoma. Kumana na maumĩrĩra ma muthenya wa muthi rĩgwatio rũtanga ngwatanĩro ya NASA ĩrĩ handũ haceke na rũkĩrĩa gĩeteirwo nĩ kuona kana atongoria arĩa mathaganire ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩ mekumũkania kana ihinda nĩ ikinyu matigane. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaũra wa Ndung'u.